Hello guys, welcome to another video.
What are we doing? Where am I again?
Joe, I told you last video to take your dementia pills, and you refused to take them. Are you going to take the dementia pills today?
I'm going to guess from the fact he didn't respond that the answer to that is going to be a no Obama. However, in today's video, we will be playing Wii Sports Resort, and the title that Ben Shapiro told us to play was Regular Wii Sports Resort Bowling. So I'm going to set that up. The person who wins bowling gets to pick next video's Wii Sports Resort game.
Looks like I'm up first. Let's show you guys how the Obaminator is good at bowling.
That doesn't look so good, Obama. Were you thinking too hard about Yemen when making that shot or something?
No, fuck you, Trump. Watch me make this spare. See, told you I'd make it. Also, why does every time we play together you have to bring up Yemen?
Shut up, Barry. It's my turn. Watch me make this strike, baby.
What strike, Trump? That looks more like what you do with Melania in the bedroom than a strike.
That turn was awful. Ha 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 ha.
Biden, why is your character a girl?
Trump, it's not worth it asking him questions. Just leave him alone. LMFAO.
It's my turn, y'all. Watch the Texas boy cook. Damn it, this fucking game is rigged. Grrr!
The editor of this video has chosen to skip to the last 3 turns in order to save 11 Labs characters and make the video a significant amount shorter.
2,000 years later.
Hey, Biden. So I still don't know why the fuck your character is a fucking girl?
Because it can be. Because this is a free country and I have LGBTQ rights.
More like LGBTQ, ha 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 ha.
LOL, you guys just roasted the fuck out of him. Ha ha ha.
What the fuck was that shot, Towers? Is that how you are with Laura in bed? If so, you got some serious medical problems.
Fuck you, Trump HDF Jagifa. Go fuck yourself, you orange cheetah looking elephant ass. Also, Obama, what the fuck was that shot?
Just the game being fucking rigged like always.
So I heard Obama was having a skill issue? Well, hypothetically, for the sake of the argument, let's say if Obama was having a skill issue, he wouldn't have 107 points and be winning over all of y'all's asses. So obviously, from my immense calculations and hypotheticals, Obama isn't having an ongoing skill issue.
Shut the fuck up, you furry. Nobody asked for your opinion. And also, did anybody see the strike I just got, or were you too busy listening to Furfag's hypotheticals?
Children. Sniff, sniff, sniff.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Biden, you sick pervert? Stop with the obsession with sniffing kids.
Finally, this game lets me get a fucking strike. Maybe it isn't so rigged after all.
Trump, you genuinely suck ass at Wii Sports Resort Bowling. You're for sure having a skill issue right now.
Biden, what the fuck was that shot? You're for sure. According to my immense calculations and high-quality analytics data, having an ongoing skill issue.
But I just got a spare, so you are fact yourself.
This game is so fucking rigged. God fucking damn it.
Well, according to my calculations, and for the sake of the argument, Wii Sports Resorts Bowling, released in 2009, is a skill-based game which requires physical talent and skill in order to knock all of the bowling pins down in order to get a strike. There is no possible way Nintendo rigged this game specifically for your ME character to lose every shot that you make. So therefore, Towers, it is a legitimate skill issue. L+, Bozo+, Eel+ ratio, Towers.
Whatever the fuck this furry just said, did anybody hear him? I don't think I heard what he said.
Yeah, I didn't hear what he said either.
What the fuck was that?
I swear to God, if Joe wins, I'm going to be pissed. Fuck this shit, goddamn.
I just muted him because he was being entirely too obnoxious because he lost. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like and comment. And then Biden will be picking the next Wii Sports Resort game that we play. See you guys later, and remember to subscribe.